Welcome back to everyone. In this video I will guide you how to fix speaker not working problem on Motorola Moto G37. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, go to app library, click on settings app. Now in setting, click on sound and vibration, click on do not disturb and turn off do not disturb mode. After turn off do not disturb, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, so mute, turn off mute. Open quick settings panel, and turn off mute mode. After turn off mute mode, you will see your problem is solved. But if it still not solved, go to app library, click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on system and click on reset option. Click on reset all settings. After click on reset all settings, click on this icon. You will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, so restart phone. Just click and hold side power button and volume up button at that time. Click on this restart icon. Again tap on this restart icon. You will see phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin. You will see your problem is solved. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.